Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my website, which is a personal portfolio website. Here I have some folders and some files. If we go here, if I click on this, which is index.html, which is the main page or which is the main file where I have coded my whole website. So here, if we see the header section, basically, which is the body section, it contains a navigation bar with a logo and menu items linking to different sections of the pages. Next is, if we scroll down here, I have the main session, which is the header section. Here a full screen div with a background image containing an introductory text about me, uh, about like who I am and what is actually this website about. Next is if we scroll down, I have about section. In this about section, I have added images and text description about me, that I'm a designer and all other informations, and I have also added featuring tabs for skills and experiences, which is like JavaScript, which manages switching by adding and removing active classes. Next, if we scroll down, here we have our service section. In the service section, there are lists of the services which is provided by me, and in this service section I have used a grid layout so that each service has an icon, title and description. Okay, next if we go down, here it comes the portfolio section. And this portfolio section, again, I have used a grid layout which actually displays a grid of work examples with images and description. And hovering over an image shows an overlay with additional information. If I click on uh, any single image, it will show me an hovering effect. Next, if we come down, here we have our contact section. In this contact section, it actually provides the contact information and a form for users to reach out. I have added a form here that if somebody will submit their mail, so I can get a message on my Gmail in the form of form. So the form uses Web3 forms for submission handling, basically, and it includes the contact section, actually includes the social media links with font awesome icons, and yeah. Next, if we talk about, if we scroll down here, I have mentioned the JavaScript which I have used in my website. This actually manages the tab switching in the About Me section. It actually adds and removes active classes to show the selected tabs content. Now, if we go here, this was actually the whole coding of my website. Now if we go here, we run our code, so we'll get run my code. My website comes here. I have a here my website actually contains a navigation bar with a logo and different sections of pages which are linked with each other. Here I have given a title for my website, which is Rahina Mehli Designer, and my name. Now if we click on About section, it will navigate to the next page, and this page is about me. Here I have uh, made two columns. One is for an image and the other is the text content, and where I have also given two content tabs, which is skills. If we click on skills, you guys will see my skills over here, and then if I click on experience, and you guys will see what our experience I have. Now if again we go up, we click here on services, which is our next page. Over here there are the list of services which I provide. So here I have used a grid layout. So here if I move my cursor or any on any of my services, you guys can see it just pop up as a hover effect on each of the service. Now next, if we go on our portfolio, which is basically my work, so here if we come down, here we can see that it displays a portfolio work using a grid layout and a hover effect to show additional information which I have added over here. It comes in the form of hover effect and a grid layout, where I have told about this picture is about what type of henna that I apply, and this about the other kinds of hennas that I apply. Now if we come down, here we see a button which is a seamer button. Here again I have actually linked another HTML page with this seamer option, where I created another HTML page in which I have created a gallery scroll bar. So I have linked that page with this see more page. So if we click here on this see more page, it actually takes you to my another HTML page which I have made, basically, which is a gallery scroll bar. I have added two icons over here of back and next. So here again I have added hover effect on these images, which is first in gray color, and as soon as we move our cursor on the picture, it will comes in its original color, same as on all images. So if we click here on this button, next button, it will slightly smoothly scroll to next slide, which is this one, and it will show you another images, and like that if we scroll next we will see next images like this. And yes, like this is basically the gallery scroll bar which I have made to showcase my more works which I have done. Now if we go back, there comes next our contact section. If we click here on contact page, here basically the contact section appears, where I have provided my contact information and a form for the users to reach out, including social media links over here. And yeah, if I click over here on WhatsApp, it will directly navigate me to the link which I have put it over here of my WhatsApp. If you click here, it will actually takes me to my WhatsApp WhatsApp page, basically, where you guys can message me for any inquiry or whatever message you guys want to send me. And then again if we go back, here I have Instagram icon. So if I click on this icon as well, it will take me to my profile page of Instagram, where you guys can also chat with me regarding the henna designs. And if you go back here, I have also added this small email contact session where anyone can email. For example, you should write your name, your email, and any message. So I have written over here my name, my email, and I have written over here a message. So now if I click on this submit button, it will actually submit my work, and my message, sorry, my email, it will actually submit my email. So now if I go here on my Gmail, if I click here on my Gmail, so I can see here that I have got a notification from my website that somebody has mailed me. So you can see that this is the name that was written, and I got a message from this mail, and the message is this: hello. So this was a form, which is a W3 form. I had added the link into my email so that the email section actually looks responsive. So there, if I go back, here comes my website, and which was the last section of my website. And yes, that's all.